Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. This is Matt from Bullion Now and my accomplice,
Reuben!
And we have, I don't actually know what we have. I love
a box.
It's a surprise. I love a good surprise unboxing.
The signature is required to get in. That's alright, I've already done that.
So you know it's exciting and it's worth a look in.
That's it.
I've got this little tactical knife.
Yep.
Be very, very careful. And let's take a little bit of a look-see. Is this from somewhere else in the world other than Australia, Reuben?
This one is Perth.
Alright, Perth. Love a Perth release. If I can... I always feel so much pressure when I'm doing when I'm opening the box. I feel so much pressure on these.
Everyone is watching.
Please feel free to give me feedback on how to best open a box.
Do it better.
All right, here we
Let's see what we
go.
got.
Progress is being made. I hope this is gold. We haven't seen any interesting gold.
Let's look at
You
that
wouldn't read about it, Reuben. Here we go. All right.
The gold releases are being snapped up at the moment. I was responding to a comment yesterday on the YouTube channel where someone was saying, "Hey, what's the go with some of the gold releases out of Perth?" So it's good to have at least some come through.
This looks big.
Yes.
This looks like a large. This is a
Chunky.
2 ounce.
This is
the mother and baby. This is such a nice series. They haven't always done this in gold, have they?
They haven't. So I believe this is the first one that they have done in gold. I may stand corrected, but yeah, this is the first time trying it in the gold. We normally see it in the 2 ounce
in silver
and the 10 ounce.
And this is it. I'm going to put myself on the spot.
Yeah.
You know how they sneak a little letter into the design? Let me just quickly check.
Yeah. Oh, have you spotted this one?
No, I'm going to try and spot it
now. Right.
You have to speed up this bit of the video. Just give me 1 second. Stop the presses. I found it. Top right hand ear of the mother kangaroo. You're going to have to zoom in, but
we're going to be relying on the closer angle for that one.
Without even, I didn't even have a microscope or a magnifying glass. So. Very clever, interesting security feature, but can't outsmart me. So, this is all we have. So, if you're watching to this point, you might be in a bit of trouble because I think these are going to be pretty popular.
I think potentially there's some more that might be on the way. We'll have to wait and see, but at least in this box, that's all we have. So yeah, this will be a rapid one. I think we'll wait and see. Anytime we think it's going to be one way or the other, we tend to be proven wrong. So yeah, we will wait and see. But yeah, the link will be down in the description if you wanted to pick up one of these for yourself. And this is actually one that kind of, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but it was actually released a little bit ago, and so it means that we have them in stock here, ready to go. You don't have to wait for pre-order. That's it.
Let's take a quick look at the obverse.
Yes.
So for those that are unfamiliar with the terminology, reverse is usually the more exciting portion of the design.
Yep.
And the obverse is the side with an effigy. So we have it's referred to, I don't know if it's the official term, but I think it's generally being accepted as the memorial obverse of Queen Elizabeth II.
Yep.
So that's something in and of itself that I get a little bit excited about. I won't go deep down the rabbit hole, but anytime there's a little difference, I quite like the memorial obverse. So I think that's something that perhaps down the line, the collectors look at with a little bit of enthusiasm because it's I think at this stage a 1 year only obverse type. So
yeah,
little tidbit for you.
It sounds like that's going to be the plan. So we'll wait and see what they do with that. All right, I think that's about it on this really cool coin. Thank you very much for that one, Matt.
Thanks for having me. I always love a surprise unboxing and can't wait for another one.
That's it. We'll see you all in the next video.
See you later.